Alrighty, John, here's your 427 FE. Give your descriptions combination. You got the Edelbrock cylinder heads on it, Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind solid roller, rear sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 484 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 484, peak horsepower 481, rated at 470, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple things here. When you receive the engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it all. In your crate will be this engine spec sheet. It's got a lot of data on it. Definitely read over that. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. Have a great day.